Hey man, I just wanted to let you know I checked out your SoundCloud and Shane Cooper, you can dream, just don't dream too big, okay? I'll see you tomorrow.
The boy I love's got another girl. He might be fucking her right now. I don't have an apartment. Thought if I was smart I'd make it far, but I'm still at the start. Guess I'm contagious. It'd be safest if you ran. Fuck, that's what they all just end up doing in the end. Take my heart and paint it black. Take my arm, break it in half. Say something, do it soon. It's too quiet in this room. I need noise. I need the buzz of a sub. Need the crack of a whip. Need some blood in the cut. I need noise. I need the buzz of a sub. Need the crack of a whip. Need some blood in the cut. I need blood in the cut. I need blood in the cut. Met back up with the boy I love. Cried on the streets of San Francisco. I don't have an agenda. All I do is pretend to be okay, so my friends can't see my heart in the blender. And lately, I've been killing all my time reading through your messages. My favorite way to die. Take my head and kick it in. Break some bread for all my sins. Say a word, do it soon. It's too quiet in this room. I need noise. I need the buzz of a sub. Need the crack of a whip. Need some blood in the cut. I need noise. I need the buzz of a sub. Need the crack of a whip. Need some blood in the cut. I need blood in the cut. I need blood in the cut. Cut. No! Stop the noise!